Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need the basics done now. Confirm the exact email address used for the code and that your device has working internet. Once confirmed, open the provider's webmail and search for the sender. Check spam, promotions, and any custom folders because automated messages get filtered. Make sure your phone or computer time is accurate and your mail app is up to date, because mismatched time or old app versions can block or delay one-time codes. Next, dig into mail settings. Inspect filters, forwarding rules, blocked sender lists, and rules that move mail automatically. Disable any that could catch the code. Then, temporarily turn off antivirus or email scanning firewall features to rule out interference. Request the code resend, and if available, switch to SMS or an authenticator app. This often bypasses email problems. Make sure to wait a full minute and refresh the inbox before requesting multiple resends to avoid rate limits. Finish by clearing your browser or app cache, signing out and back in, or using a private browser to eliminate cached errors. Once done, try an alternate email address if the provider allows, and contact the service's support if the code still never arrives. If problems persist, check the email provider's server status and known delays. Sometimes outages or throttling cause long waits. If everything else fails, request escalation and provide exact timestamps and sender details to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.